Hi, it's Jason from Mercedes-Benz of Paramus, and you need to order some tires. What do you need to know? You need to know the tire size, speed rating, and brand of the tire. Today we're going to go over that. So the first number is the width of the tire, the second number is the height, the third number is your rim size, and the fourth number is the speed rating of the tire. We're also going to need the make and the model of the tire. In the case of this tire, this is a Hankook Ventus S1 Noble Squared. Lastly, we need to know the MO classification of your tire. In the case of this tire, MO E, which stands for run flat tire, and this one also has an S for sound deadening, which means it has the sound deadening foam inside. All this information is critical whether you're ordering the tires through our website or our mobile team is coming to you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Mercedes-Benz of Paramus.